You're listening to English with Monty, the podcast about the English language. Today is 8-Minute English, talking about how you can use the verb take in different ways. Hello there and welcome to 8-Minute English. I've got Gideon on the show. How are you doing, Gideon?
I'm doing fine, thank you, John.
We've just done another one, haven't we? A previous one, but now we're doing something on 8 minutes about take. So I think take can be a tricky word, can't it? Because it's used in different ways, isn't it? So it's similar to what we did previously about run, how we can use run in different ways. We've got a bit of a prop with English revealed, and hopefully, I remember with run, there were a few difficulties that we weren't 100% sure about them, but hopefully this one will be quite straightforward. We'll have a look at this one. So basically it's saying what the word means of take in this situation. What other word we could use, isn't it?
Yes. I was going to sing Take On Me by Aha,
Uh-huh.
and I stopped myself because I thought maybe copyright come after you.
Yeah, maybe.
Take On Me. You know the song?
Yeah. Is it relevant?
That famous video? No.
Yeah.
Though I always wondered why they said take on me. What does that mean? Take on me. And someone tries to say, what does it mean? Take on me. It doesn't mean anything, does it?
Afterwards he says take me on, doesn't he?
Still doesn't mean
Take
anything.
on me.
I don't know. I'm just not sure what it means. Take on me. Take me on.
Take me on can be hire me, can't it? Or it can be like be combative with me.
Trying to get the girl in the cafe and he's singing Take On Me. Hello, babe. Take on me. What? What's he talking about?
Yeah, I don't
Go
know.
back to Oslo.
This is kind of irrelevant, isn't it? It's just wasting some time. Should we start? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the sentence, and then if you match it to the word on this particular exercise. So if the listeners would like to guess themselves, so we've got photograph, we've got accompanying, we've got hold, we've got wrote down, we've got captured, we've got drink, we've got stand, and we've got required. The city was taken by the enemy the next day.
Captured.
Yeah, correct. Literally, they're going in, they're invading, and they take it, don't they? They're the new bosses of the city. Yes.
Susan felt she couldn't take the pain any longer.
Yes. So stand. Curious one, isn't it? I mean, I guess stand we can use in a couple of ways, can't we? If you say I can't stand the pain, it's like I can't tolerate it. Maybe tolerate is a better word, in fact, because also we say I can't stand Aha, which means I really hate them, which is not true. I think they're quite a good band, but that's another way of using it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think the next one will be very easy. Can I take a picture of the two of you?
Take a picture. Photograph?
Yes, of course. That's the only way, isn't it, really, to talk about it, to photograph something.
It sounds a bit strange to say, can I take a photograph of the two of you? Can I take a photograph? Yes. Can I take a picture of you?
Can I photograph you?
Fair enough.
Can say that though, can't we?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
The police officer took his name and address.
This means he wrote it down. So he put it in a notebook to record information.
The sentence is a bit strange. The police officer took his name and address, meaning he took the police officer's name and address or somebody else's name and address.
Well, it's somebody else's. So I suppose because we don't really have a context in this case, do we?
Just saying.
But yes, I mean, I guess if we know the person, then yeah, we're talking about recording something, aren't we, in this case?
Mm-hmm.
It took 3 people to move the wardrobe.
Required, I would say.
Yeah. Is this the best word to use, required?
It's the only one.
It's the only one that fits, that's true. But can we use a better one?
Well, you could say hold, I guess.
Needed, maybe, as well. We could say it needed.
Yes.
It required. Yeah. They're quite similar, though, aren't they? There's nothing so different about those. So the next one.
I'm taking my girlfriend to the cinema this evening.
Sorry, it was me, wasn't it? I'm supposed to say accompanying. So yeah, it means you're going with that person, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You can use taking somebody somewhere, can't you? So you could be driving as well in that case.
Yeah. Okay.
Could you take these bags while I open the door?
I guess it's hold.
Yes,
These
that's correct. I mean, I guess it could be carry as well, couldn't it? Not really, is it? No, it's actually hold, isn't it?
take care of, watch
Uh-huh.
out, watch these bags. I don't
Yeah.
know. Depends on the context.
But it's normally hold, isn't it? It really is hold, isn't it? You're
Yeah.
handing them over to somebody and they're holding them to make sure you
Why
can.
doesn't he just ask the guy to open the door for him? Wouldn't that be easier? Can you open the door? For
Well, it's true, but maybe he needs to do it for some reason.
some reason.
Who knows with these examples? It's difficult to say, isn't it?
Yeah. So is it mine? Do I read?
The next one, yes.
The doctor has given him some medicine to take for the gonorrhea he has.
Gonorrhea. You've changed this one.
Today. For the clap. The doctor has given him some medicine to take for his cough.
For his cough, yes. Would you have something to drink if you had gonorrhea? I don't know. I guess with a cough, a lot of the time you would have something to drink, wouldn't you? Like cough syrup.
Sounds a bit odd though. The doctor's giving some medicine to drink. That sounds really strange. I would never say that.
No, that's
You,
true.
you take medicine, you don't drink medicine. I would never
Mm.
ever say that. I don't know where you got this from, John.
But I suppose you are literally, I mean, if you do have cough syrup, you are literally drinking it, aren't you? I know we never say it.
No one would ever say that.
That's very true, yeah.
Would you?
No, no, you wouldn't.
You might say, hey, drink this. Hand them some medicine, baby.
You're
Or say, take
absolutely
this.
right. Because I guess as well, we would say that obviously if you're having some pills, aren't you? You know, take some paracetamol, for example. And obviously that's not drinking, is it? It's just putting it in your mouth and swallowing it.
Yeah.
It's the same
Yeah,
concept,
you
isn't it?
don't. Yeah, you don't eat aspirins. You
No.
take aspirins.
I mean, I suppose you could say swallow. I mean, that could
Yeah,
be an
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That would
alternative.
be all right.
Yeah, can you swallow this? It's a curious one, isn't it? Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay, was there anything else you wanted to add?
I think I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That's all good.
Yeah, well, I can't really think of anything else. Otherwise, we're going to go into phrasal verb territory.
That's for
That
another day.
that is for another day. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, Gideon. I appreciate it as always.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Yeah, thank you very much. And you've been listening to 8 Minute English.